Hello and welcome to Mobstr. In this video we'll show you what it is, what it does and how it works. First up we have the dashboard. Here we summarise all the results from the application with plenty of data. There's also a news feed and a summary of the latest activity. In the My Apps screen we can see all our applications with a little information from the App Store, as well as the overall risk score. We can add tags to the applications to help categorise or prioritise them, or perhaps assign them to a department. We can filter by the tags and change the order of our apps. We can add an application in the pop-up by pasting the URL of the app from the App Store. It's then added pending a scan.
When adding an application, we can select whether the application is operational critical first party, operational critical third party or non-operational.
Now let's take a look at the app report. We can export the app as a PDF, view it in the store. We can also approve or reject the application. The application score is broken down into various categories. And the next step we perform is to firstly identify the platform the application is written in, followed by some flag checks, such as screenshot protection or anti-debug. There's tooltips on all of these. Here's the minimum and maximum in-app purchasing values, always useful to review. Next we check permissions, identifying any that are considered dangerous. Of course it depends on the application, but these can be reviewed with the app context in mind.
We can accept, mitigate or reject permissions and leave a comment.
We check the dependencies, libraries and SDKs an app was built with, and cross-reference it against vulnerability databases. Any issues are highlighted here. We send the application binary to over 70 malware vendors and any issues are reported. Finally, we statically analyse the application's code and identify any security or privacy risks. Here we try not to only give an explanation, but also details of the potential impacts and what actions we could take to mitigate the risk. We try to use plain and simple language that can be understood at all technical levels throughout the business.
Compliance reporting allows us to generate a report for any time period and see a summary and complete audit trail of all application activity within your app estate. Every app added, every score changed, every action or mitigation logged, and export it all into a compliance report that's aligned with key regulatory frameworks.
We can add users from our team or company, and we can use the same tags we do in the application screen to share apps with them. When these users add apps, they are shared by all users with the same tag. We can invite users to our application using their email address. Apps that are approved remain within the My Apps screen, and every time a new version is released into the App Store, it will be downloaded and rescanned. Any updates will arrive via an email. When an app is rejected, it moves to the archived apps and won't be scanned again. You can also see apps that your users have added within My Users App screen. You can upload your own application binaries for pre-release apps or apps that are not in the App Store. And the inbox contains all updates which are also sent to your email.
Mobstr allows you to integrate your MDM solution in order to automatically pull a list of apps every day to save inputting manually and ensure you are protected continuously.
Finally, we provide an in-app feed of information from the NIST database regarding Android, Apple and Chrome extension vulnerabilities. Thanks for watching and please do get in touch with any further questions.